Okay. So, start na tayo ng ating oops, kita na yata. Sige. I give you 30 seconds each question. So, sabi, what is the term for companies and individuals engaged in the business of construction? Letter A, architects, B, engineers, C, developers, or D, construction contractors. So, answer. D. Lang. Diba ang ating sagot? Letter D is, let's see kung ano ang ating answer. Okay, letter D, ano? So, kasi, yung nag-i-engage dyan is companies kasi and individuals. So, kaya, ang ating sagot ay construction contractors, ano? So, for our next question, so, which type of construction primarily involves the construction of buildings? A, heavy construction. B, specialty construction. C, civil construction, or letter D, building construction. So, sa mga nagtataka kung bakit meron tayong terminologies, kasi usually class sa ating board exam is sa Transpo, Port and Harbors, tsaka yung construction methods, may mga lumalabas dyan na terminologies. So, malay nyo, lumabas din ito. So, our correct answer is letter D. So, building construction. So, karaniwan naman dyan, may mga keyword naman na binibigay dun sa mga question, which is ito, construction of buildings. So, mas high yung chance mo kung ito yung sagot mo, which is tama naman talaga. Okay? So, isa nga dyan na heart react sa mga naka 2 points na. So, very good, ano? Wala lang tayong yehey, ano eh. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's proceed sa ating next question. Ayan, what type of regulations controls land use and limits the size and type of structures that can be erected in a specific location? A, building codes. B, safety regulations. C, zoning regulations. And D, environmental regulations. So, sana mag-participate yung meron tayong ilang participants ngayon. I'm hoping na sumasagot kayo. Hindi naman ito graded, but at least you try. So, sige. Ang ating answer ay letter C, zoning regulations. So, bakit kaya karaniwan A ang sagot? Yan, medyo nalungkot, First, so sabi kasi, yung zoning regulations, ito kasi yung regulation controls land use and limits the size. Ayan, specific. So, meron kasing specific locations dyan. So, kailangan natin mag-comply dyan sa ating zoning regulations. So, kung medyo wala kayong idea, so kung ite-teknika natin itong question na to, so, una, yung may regulation. So, what type of regulation? So, common is either C or B lang, or D, yung pwede nyong maging sagot. And then, iaalis na natin, there's a probability na siguro 33%. Sige, tatlo na lang eh. So, second keyword mo, hahanap ka uli, is a specific location. So, common dito sa tatlo na to. So, di ba, may yung term na specific locations, nagsisinonym siya dito sa zoning. So, kung wala kang idea sa zoning regulations, hanap ka ng keyword dito sa question. So, isa yan sa mga technique kung wala ka talagang idea. So, very good. So, nasagot nyo. So, let's proceed sa ating susunod. Ayan. Which construction operation involves the process of moving soil or rock from one location to another and processing it to meet it processing it to meet construction requirements. So, alin dyan? Demolition, earth moving, grading, or excavation. F? May letter F ba? Ang letter F. Yan. So, meron pa tayong 15 seconds. Five, 4. So, common V, B. Ano bang ating sagot? So, let's see. Letter B, earth moving. So, kung may teteknikan kayo dyan, di ba, common? Kasi ganun talaga klase. Usually, yung ating mga question sa board, common dyan, may mga keyword na binibigay. So, letter B, earth moving, kasi demolition, di naman siguro, Kasi moving of soil. So, pwede kasing pagpilian mo nga dyan is D, excavation, yung paghuhukay. But, tayo ay earth moving. So, next. What term refers to the continuous curve representing the accumulated volume of earthwork against the linear profile of a roadway? Ano kaya yon? Earthwork chart, grading diagram, mass diagram, or D, soil profile. So ito ay representing the accumulated volume of earthwork. Okay? Three, two, one. Let's see. Common answer is C. Let's see. Yes. Correct answer natin is a mass diagram. So, artworks naman dyan, yung mga nakatama. Very good. Very few. Okay. So, let's proceed. Para tayong Who Wants to be a Millionaire dito, no? Ito na siguro yung pinaka-chill natin na online coaching, kasi puro terms lang. Okay? So, next is yung ating next question. Which type of construction includes highways, airports, bridges, and dams? Letter A, building. Letter B, civil. Letter C, specialty. And letter D, earth moving. O kaya? Common, letter B. Letter B nga ba? Okay, sige. Bigyan pa natin ng another 15 seconds para yung iba. Letter C, may sumasagot din. Tignan natin. So, 3, 2, 1, and letter V, civil yan. Siyempre, So, kung ang pagpipilian mo naman dyan, so medyo may confusion nga is letter C, specialty construction. But ito yung mga special na construction. Pero general naman to, highways, airport, bridges, and dams. So, common yan is civil. Okay? So, next. So, what is the term for the ability of a soil to support the weight of vehicles under repeated traffic? A, loadability. B, trafficability. C, compaction. Or D, swell. Letter B, letter C. Masagot. Yan, medyo dalawa lang siguro. So, isa siguro ang iyong pagpipilian. Kung ikaw ay walang idea, kung babasahin mo maigi yung question, so meron kang chance dyan. Pero isa yun sa mga technique. Spam. Okay. So, ang ating correct answer ay letter. Siyempre, letter V, repeated traffic. Yan. Good. So, for our next question, yan. Yes, Mr. Lumeda, you're raising your hand. Meron bang pindot lang. Sige. Continue na tayo. Which construction equipment is primarily designed for excavation below ground level? So A, bulldozer, B, backhoe, C, excavator, D, grader. Ayan, so common, baka lumabas to Letter C, letter B. And I'm seeing letter C or letter B. Yeah, medyo letter A, meron ding sumagot. Let's give another 10 seconds para makasagot naman yung iba. Ayan. So, ang ating sagot ay letter B, backhoe. Yung bulldozer kasi below ground level tayo. So, ang ginagamit natin dyan ay backhoe. So, next, which type of rock is formed when the Earth's molten material cools? Ngayon, ito medyo hirap tayo dito pagka ganito yung question. Medyo talagang chances natin ay 25%. So, for your choices, sedimentary rock, igneous, metamorphic rock, tsaka organic rock. Siguro yung organic, pwede mo nang i-cross out yan. So, may 33 chance ka na lang. So, sedimentary ba, metamorphic ba, or igneous? Letter B, letter B. Ayan, letter A. So, our correct answer is letter B, yung ating igneous rock. Okay? For our next question, what term describes the act of managing the construction process? Ayan, A, project coordination. Letter B, construction oversight. Letter C, construction management. And letter D, project supervision. Ano kaya dito yung ating construction process, yung pagmamanage? I see, yan. Letter C yung mga sagot. Hindi isa. So, let's see kung C nga. Yes! Letter C, So, very easy question. Meron tayong managing the construction process ay syempre construction management. Next, which term refers to the process of giving natural solids enough abrasive resistant and shear strength to accommodate traffic or design loads? Alin kaya? Soil enhancement ba? Soil stabilization? Soil reinforcement? Or soil modification? Yan, let's see kung ano ang ating sagot dyan. Medyo mahirap. Sige, tapusin natin ang 21 seconds. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and letter B, karaniwang sagot. Yes, soil stabilization. So, sabi dyan, tingnan natin, natural soil enough abrasive, resistant, and shear strength to accommodate traffic or design. Okay. Okay, next. What type of construction materials is primarily used for nuclear radiation shielding? Ano ba? Ano kaya? Lightweight concrete ba? Normal weight concrete? Structural concrete or reinforced concrete? So, ano kayang sagot? Ayan, lightweight concrete lang pala yung ginagamit. So, common ay letter C. So, heart reacts yung mga less than 5 pa lang yung mali. Heart reacts naman dyan. Yan. Si Brian, mukhang mapa-perfect yata ang ating terms. Okay, next question. Which term refers to the process of moving and processing soil or rock to meet construction requirement? So, grading ba? Excavation? Earth moving ba? Or hauling or howling?
Kulang siya sa tangkad. Paano na siya
Give him Pediasure Plus with more growth nutrients than regular milk.
So, alin ba dyan? A, B, C, or D? And yes, earth moving pa rin, ano? So naulit lang yata, naulit ba yung ating question kanina? Okay. Next. So what type of equipment is used primarily for lifting, lowering, and transporting heavy loads? Alin ba dyan? Excavator, grader, crane, or dozer? Alin? Crane? Ba? Familiar sa mga crane tong mga student ko Yes. Letter C ang ating sagot diyan. Very alam naman natin 'yan mga civil engineering student. So minsan may times nagagagamit yung ating bulldozer pero hindi siya talaga primarily for that use, ano? In case lang. So next, which type of compactor uses impact action alone to compact soil? Ayan. Letter A, vibratory. Letter B, impact. Letter C, static. Letter D, tamping foot roller. Ano kaya? Letter C ay letter D. So let's see kung ano ang ating sagot. Letter B. Impact. Meron na ngang impact action alone to compact soil, di ba? So medyo may clue na dyan. Kung wala kang idea, is si impact na yung high chance mo na makuha. Ano? Okay, next. So, parang naulit lang. Gawin natin. Ayan. What is the term for concrete that will be exposed to view and requires special shape or surface finishes for architectural purposes? A. Reinforced concrete. B. Structural concrete. C. Architectural concrete. Or D. Precast concrete. Alin kaya dyan? Letter C. So let's see kung letter C nga. Ayun, letter C pala. Sige, taya mo nga. Sure yan. Okay. Next question, which type of pavement involves a mixing binder with aggregate directly on the roadway? Diyan, sige nga. Diyan ka nga tumaya. Letter A, hot mix asphalt. Letter B, cold mix. Letter C, penetration macadam. Letter D, road mix. Sige, bigyan natin ng ilang pang segundo, 15. Ayan. Let's see. Letter D. Ano? So, letter A yung iba. Letter D tayo, no? Yung ating sagot ay road mix. Okay. Let's proceed sa ating next question. Ayan. What is the term for the process of demolishing old pavement, recrushing the material, and reusing it in new asphalt or concrete mixes? A, recycling. B, resurfacing. Letter C, reconstruction. Or letter D, restoration. Okay, letter A, letter B. Sige, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. A, recycling. Ayan. Next question. Which type of compactor uses vibratory action to compact soil? Think kaya dyan? Meron na tayong sound effect. So, ano kayang sagot? Letter? Letter D. Ayun o, vibratory compact. Ayan. Letter D kasi common. Meron tayong vibratory action, di ba? So, kung wala ka na, kung hindi mo talaga alam, is my keyword naman. Di ba? Okay. Next question. What term describe a coating of light bituminous material applied to a porous, unpaved surface? Prime coat ba? Track coat? Seal coat? Or fog seal? Letter A. Common answer. A ba? So, let's check kung A. Yes! Very good yung mga sumagot ng A. Okay. So, ito naman. Which type of rock is formed by the precipitation of material from water or air? A, igneous. B, sedimentary. C, metamorphic. D, organic. Kaya, letter B ba? Or letter A? Baka naman B. So, let's see kung B ba ang sagot. Wala bang tataya sa B? Okay. Yes, letter B sana. May tumaya, letter B. Okay. So, next question. What is the term used for a continuous curve that represent accumulated earthwork volume against the roadway profile? Tignan natin, naulit ba? Letter A, letter B, letter A ba? Or letter B? Letter C ba? Or letter D? Okay, let's see kung anong ating sagot. Letter B. Letter B again. Ayan. So, medyo nalito lang. Okay? So, next. So, which construction equipment is designed primarily for finishing roadway, subgrades, and bases? A. Excavator. B. Motor grader. C. Bulldozer. Or D. Backhoe. Letter A ba? Letter B? Or letter C? Tignan natin yung subgrades and bases. Kung familiar kayo sa mga construction equipment. Wala bang tataya sa B? So, let's see. 6, 5, 4, 3. Ayan, letter B pala ang sagot. Okay. So, next is what term refers to the process of demolishing old pavement and constructing a new pavement structure? A. Recycling. B. Resurfacing. C. Reconstruction. Or D. Rehabilitation. So, let's see kung maraming makakuha nito. Letter C ba? Letter A. Letter B. B? Ba't dalawa sagot? Okay. Letter C. Okay. So, let's proceed. So, heart reacts yung mga nandyan pa. Konti na lang ang mga sumasagot sa ating okay, sige. Proceed na tayo. So, tandaan nyo, construction methods pa lang tayo. So, marami pa akong pin-repair. So, ito, medyo nasagot na yata to. Sige nga, kung nagpe-pay attention, anong sagot natin dyan? Above naman to, ha? Above, ha? So, dozer ba? Backhoe? Compactor? Or excavator? Above ground level. Tandaan, excavation above ground level. Letter C. So, let's see. Letter A. Excavator. Yan. Isa lang nakatama. Very good. Mabul pa si ano. Umabol pa siya. Natin mabol. Next. So, what term describes the process of improving soil properties to support traffic or design load? A. Soil enhancement. B. Soil reinforcement. C. Soil modifications. Or letter D. Soil stabilization. Letter A ba? Floor D. Three, two, one. Ayan. Letter D. Soil stabilization. Letter D nga. Ayan. Ito. Which type of rock has been changed by heat, pressure, or chemical action into a different type of rock? So, sige nga. Letter C. Tataya ba sa letter C? Yan, mukhang maraming C ngayon ah. Siyempre, natitirang sagot na lang yan. Ano? Sa mga kanina pa. So, natitira na lang yung metamorphic rock. Sumagot din si Flor. Okay. What is the term for a construction technique that involves dropping a heavy weight from a crane onto the ground surface to achieve soil densification? A. Dynamic compaction. B. Soil vibrating. C. Soil compaction. Or D. Earthquake simulation. Da-drop daw ng malaking heavyweight. You know, galing sa crane. Kaya yan. Let's see. Okay, naantay natin yung mga letters C ba? O, si A. So, meron tayong 9, 8, 2, 1. Yes! Letter A nga. Letter A. Sayang. Kasali yun eh. Isa pa. Next. What type of compactor utilize a compaction drum made up of a heavy steel mesh? Ano kaya dyan? Reed roller ba? Vibratory? Tamping? Or pneumatic roller? Letter A. Maraming may alam yata sa grid. Letter A ba? Sige, tignan nga natin. Letter A. Very good sa mga letter A. Heart reacts nga dyan uli sa mga nandito pa. Parang nasa quiz show lang, ano? Okay, proceed tayo sa ating next question. So, which type of asphalt involves mixing the binder with aggregate directly on the roadway during construction? Alin ba dyan? Hot mix ba? Cold mix? Warm mix? Or baka naman recycled asphalt? Baka naman recycled asphalt nga yan. Letter A. Kung maraming tayong naka-hot mix, tignan nga natin kung letter A. Letter A. Letter B pala. Sayang. Marami ng namali. Tandaan nyo, pagka, with aggregate directly on the roadway during construction, so, cold mix pala ang tawag doon. Wala daw tuloy dance. Wala. Mali eh. So, ito. What is the term for the process of repurposing old pavement material for use in new asphalt or concrete mix? Sige nga. Kung naalala, letter D, rehabilitation ba? Letter A, recycling. Letter B, resurfacing, or letter C, reconstruction. Yeah, I see a dozen, maraming letter A. Letter A ba ang ating sagot? Sige nga. Letter A nga. Okay. Tama ang letter A. Naulit lang kasi yan. Okay. Ito naman. Which type of compressor achieves compression by reducing the air volume within a confined space? Dynamic ba? Centrifugal? Positive displacement? Or reciprocating compressor? Tignan nga natin. Or ito. Dami mga sound effect ni Sir, ano? Letter B. Letter C. Marami yatang letter C. Tingnan natin. Okay, letter C ba ang sagot? Yes, letter C. Oy, bawal yun. Okay. What is the term for a device used to remove oil from compressed air? Ano kaya dyan? Air separator, oil catcher, oil extractor, or the oil separator? To remove oil. Letter D ba? Letter C ba? Ano kaya itong pangalawang sagot? Ayos pala to, ano? Sige, letter D ang nakakarami. Yes, letter D. Oil separate. Namang air, ano? Kung air siguro. Okay. Ayan, eto nga. Sige nga. Which type of rock originates from molten material that cools and solidifies? Sedimentary, metamorphic, igneous, or organic? Letter D. For me, letter C. Mukhang nagsunura na sa C, oh. So, tignan natin kung letter C ba ang ating sagot. Yes, letter C. Ay, nako. Okay. Let's continue. What is the term for continuous curve? Naulit na siguro to. Sige. Continue pa rin natin. Represent accumulated earthwork volume against the linear profile of a roadway or airfield. Alin ba dyan? Earthwork chart, mass diagram, grading profile, or soil chart. Earthwork chart ba? Letter B. Maraming letter B For me, letter B po. So, $1 million question. Yes, letter B. Okay, letter B. Ulit nga lang, sabi ko nga kanina. Ayan, ito. Which type of pavement involves the construction of a wearing surface and protection of the underlying material from moisture? Ayan, medyo mahirap to Hirap no? Surface pavement ba? Overlay, bituminous, or concrete pavement? Nako, walang tataya dito. So, ito ang inyong $1 million question. Letter C, letter B. Yan, maraming anong bang lamang? Letter B ba? Nahirapan yung iba, Okay. Yan, medyo hirap. Walang for me B po, Tignan natin kung letter B. Yes, letter B. Letter A. Kaso, okay. Okay, what is the term for the process of compacting soil by reducing air volume within the soil? Ayan. Vibrating ba? Tamping? Compaction? Or compression? Ano kaya? Letter D, compression. Ano natin?
I like it, I love it, I want some more.
Letter D ba?
I like it, I love it, I want some more.
Letter C? Letter C ba? Ako, nagayahan na sa C, Nagayahan na sila sa C. Tingnan niya natin kung maswerte yung C. Yes, letter C. Ay, si Direct, letter B pa. Wala nang victory dyan. Alang B dyan na victory. Kaya mo, papabuti natin choices doon. Biro lang. Okay. So, next question. Which type of asphalt involves mixing the binder with the aggregate directly on the roadway during construction? Cold mix ba? Hot mix ba? Warm mix or emulsified asphalt? Letter B ang common answer. So, let's see kung marami bang tama. Yes, letter B. Very good. Kasi inulit lang din. Ewan ko ba ba't nauulit? Ayan, ito medyo bago. What term describe a construction technique that uses electrical current to expedite the drainage of a cohesive soil? Ayan, medyo puro soil electrostatics, electrification, electrosmosis, or electroporation. Blur ba? Blur ba yung ating net? Okay naman, okay naman. Okay na, baka sa'yo lang yan. Ikaw naman eh. Letter B. Marami yatang malulungkot Mukhang letter B ba? Sige nga. Yun lang. Letter C. Yun lang. So, marami nang mali. Nakalista dito yung si Lim. 20 na yung mali. Blur ba? Pag mali, blur o kaya lag? Okay. So, next question. So, what is the term for the angle that the sides of a spoil bank or pile naturally form with the horizontal when excavated soil is dumped onto it? A. Angle of attack. B. Angle of repose. C. Angle of incline. D. Angle of descent. Tataya ba sa B? O yan, maraming sumagot sa B. Ang pinangunahan. Letter B. Yes, very good. Very good. Okay. So, down na tayo. Malapit na tayo. Nakakailang question na tayo. 41. 41 questions. So, ang highest natin ay C. Ano bang highest natin? C, wala. Okay. So, next is which type of pavement involves the complete removal of the old pavement structure and the construction of a new pavement? Alin dyan? Overlay ba? Resurfacing? Rehabilitation? Or reconstruction? Ayos ka ba? Letter D, pinangungunahan talaga niyan. So, reconstruction ba ang tawag? Yan nga natin, letter D. Letter D nga. Okay. So, next question. Ito, sa mga bagong dating, siguro may mamamali pa dyan. Sige, bonus yan, kumbaga. Ulit. So, baka kasi may nakakalimutan. Ang sagot dyan, below the ground. Below. Nako, nalimutan. A ba? Ang ating excavator ba? B ba? Backhoe? Ayan, maraming sumasagot ng B. Ayan. Pinangungunahan ni Carl. Carl yata ang highest. Oo nga, ang mali pa lang ni Carl ay isa. Okay. So, ang ating tamang sagot ay letter B. So, pagka below the ground, backhoe. Pagka above, excavator. Okay. So next. So which type of compactor uses rotating auger paddles immersed in a tub of water to wash off undesirable material from aggregates? So grid roller, log washer, tamping foot roller, or vibratory plate compactor. So binalang. Iba? Binalang daw log washer dahil may tubig ano tsaka may wash. Tama nga naman. Ano? Which is a correct talaga. Okay, letter D nga. So, for our next question, so what term describe the process of shaping and smoothing slope, ditches, and earthwork to the specified location? Grading ba, compaction, trenching, or excavation? Marami hindi alam niya. Letter A ba? Yan nga natin kung letter A. Letter A ba? Yes! Letter A nga. Okay. Paano yan? Grading. Compaction naman eh. Nag-ano yun? Or nagsisiksik. Okay. Excavation, nag-hukay, trenching. So, gumagawa din ng parang hukay din yan. Okay. So, next, which type of asphalt involves using emulsifying agents to disperse asphalt particles in water? Hot mix, cold mix, warm mix, or asphalt emulsion? Oh, medyo mahirapan niya. Ba kayo dyan? Meron yan. D. Pupusta ba sa D? Nakita ng emulsifying, ano? Merong emulsion na, ano eh. Wala choices. D na yan. Diba? So, tignan nga natin kung letter D. Maraming D ang sagot eh. Yes, letter D nga. Okay. So, next question. So, what is the term? Ito, naulit na to eh. Next na tayo. Ito. Naulit na rin to eh. Pero sige, sa mga bagong dating, sige, tingnan nga natin. Which terms describes the ability of a soil to support the weight of vehicles under repeated traffic? Tingnan nga natin kung nagpe-pay attention. Ayan, sige, huwag na natin intayin dahil alam na yung sagot dyan. Letter D lang. Ayan, ito, sige. Tingnan natin. What is the term for the volume unit specified as the basis for payment in an earth-moving contract? Bank cubic yard, loose cubic yard, compacted cubic yard, and spoil pile cubic yard. Sige nga. Oh, mukhang nahirap. Letter C daw o letter B? Letter A, ayan. Ayan. Letter C, letter B, A, B. Ayan. Yung B, wala yatang sumasagot ng C, ah. Walang sumasagot ng D. Ayaw nyo sa spoil pile. So, 10, 9. Letter B, our last answer. So, let's see. Letter A. Sige, medyo talagang dahil dyan. Okay, letter A. So next, which type of equipment using rotating auger screws mounted in an inclined through to dehydrate materials? Pneumatic roller ba, scrubber drum, vibratory plate attachment, or sand dehydrator? Nako, mukhang meron namang parang answer dyan. Uy, nahirapan sila. Direkto. Si Direkto, pag talagang nakakita ng dehydrator na. Di daw, mayroon na talagang solid D sila, oh. Solid D. D for Direkto. Okay. So, let's see kung anong sagot. Yes. Letter D. Okay. So, we are down to 50 questions. 50 na kayo. Akalain nyo yun. 50 na. So, let's cheer. High score natin. Let's see. Direkto. Okay. Or si Carl ba? Or si Lynn? Okay. O, ito naman. Medyo kakaiba to. What is the term for the process of returning a highway to an acceptable condition through various maintenance and repair activities? So, ito, medyo dapat kabisado. Restoration ba? Reconstruction ba? Rehabilitation ba? Or repurposing? No, pinangunahan ni Eliza for letter C. Letter C, yeah. Letter C na. Ang letter C, marami tayong letter C dito. Tignan nga natin. Letter C nga. Okay. Ating nauna si Eliza. Okay. Ito naman, what is the term for the solid form of asphalt used in construction? Ano ba dyan? Yung ating solid form. Asphalt emulsion ba? Asphalt aggregate? Asphalt binder? Or asphalt cement? Yan, pinangunahan ni D. Sinong nag-D? Si ano ba? Jessa? Muna sa D. Inga. D4 direkto ba tayo? Okay, so let's check. Yan, letter D, letter D. Karaniwang sagot, letter D, oh. Yes, letter G. Very good, very good. Okay. Oh, ito naman. Medyo nag-repeat na rin to, pero sige. Tignan natin. Alala. Letter A daw, sabi ni Jessa. Ayan, sunura na sila. Okay. Letter A, napapaisip pa si ano ba? Letter A. Okay. Yan, sure na ba sa letter A? Yes! Very good. Naalala yung with roller. So, ito naman. Which term refers to the ability of a soil to increase in volume when excavated due to loosening of soil grains and air filling void spaces? A. Loadability. B. Shrinkage. C. Swell. Or D. Compaction. Letter B, inunahan ni Carl. Letter B ba? Shrinkage. Nagsishrink ba? Miliit ba siya? Letter D, yan. Merong kumontes. Letter C, swell. Lumipat ng partido. Letter C for kadangdang. Swerte ba si kadangdang? Yes, letter C. Sayang yung iba. Okay. So next, ito naman. What is the term for the conversion factor used to convert loose volume to bulk volume in earth moving? Yan, medyo mahirap to Shrinkage ba, load factor, swell factor, or spoil factor? Shrinkage, ano ba ang kino-convert natin? Loose volume to bulk volume. Letter B ba, load factor? Swell factor ba? Yan, letter B. B of awalyo. Okay, letter B. Sige ba? Check nga natin kung letter B. Yes, letter B nga. Kung meron dyan, napininan ko Okay. So next is, what is the term for a device used to remove oversized particles from aggregates during processing? Separator, classifier, scrubber, or crusher? Ito, medyo madali lang kung medyo basahin mo yung question. Sugod na mga B. Ayan. A, ayan. Gusto ko yan, yung A palaban. Separator ba or classifier? Ayan, mga may letter A. So, marami pa rin ang B, mga nasa B. Yes, letter B. Sa mga A. Okay, letter tuloy. Next question. What term describes the process of adding a coating of light bituminous material to a porous unpaved surface? A. Tack coat, B. Prime coat, C. Fog seal, or D. Dust palliative. Ha? Ano daw yun? Merong A. Ayan, pinangunahan yung A ni Lim. B kay naman kay Jessa. Ayan, A and B lang ang nagkakatalo. Si A ba? Or si B? Ayan, tack coat ba or prime coat? Ayaw nyo sa D, yung dust? Okay. So, ang ating sagot ay prime coat. Yan, letter D. So, nanguna. Sino nga nanguna doon? Si Jessa. Very good. Okay, Jessa. Okay. Oh, may humabol pa ng B. Sige, ayan. Okay. Ito, tungkol naman sa mga bayad-bayad. What is the term for a payment for moving soil or rock from cut to fill that exceed a specified distance? Naku, pagka may hindi nakasagot dito. Naku. Yan, ano kaya? Letter A ba? Overpayment? Nauna uli si Jessa. Letter D. Letter B. Howling fee. Letter D. Overhaul. Ayoko. Letter D. Oh. Palaban yung D. Yan. Tingnan nga natin. 6, 5. D and B lang ang naglalaban. Letter D. Habol ng B. Mali. Sayang. Habol ng B. $69 na oh. Lumipat ka pa. Pang 70 na sana. Okay. Sige, letter C na lang yung sagot sa kanya. Okay. So, ito naman. What is the term for the process of adding a fine material to a soil surface to reduce dust produced by vehicular traffic and wind? So, alin kayang dust yan? Palliative ba? Oh, mute na kita. Napindot yata. So, alin dyan? Gas kaya. Hirapan na. Natagalan mag-type. Natagalan mag-type kay Mr. Goog. B? Ayan, may sumasagot. B? Kung ng iba, wala na. Nawala na ng kalaban, no? Ayan, letter B na. Sige, letter B. B? B nga ba? Letter A. Yun lang. Yun lang. Sayang naman. Okay, so sali ko kaya to sa ano, ay. Okay, what term describe the process of using compressed air to power construction tools and equipment? O ayan, ano kaya? Electric air? Pneumatic ba? Or hydraulic? Or Pneumatic compression. Alin kaya dyan? Dami na ha. Air, compressed air. Compressed air. Letter B. Hydraulic ba yun? Letter D, oh. D for directo. Nakakita ng compression. Tapos may compress. Di letter D na. Ayan. Maraming na ano ng D. D nga ba? Tignan natin kung D. Letter A. Ay, nakakita ng compress ha. A ang sagot. Force pala siya, hindi compression. Okay. Ubus na ba? Lag ano? Lag. Okay. Which type of construction equipment achieves compression by reducing the air volume within a confined space? Ayan, medyo ano na to. Parang naulit lang. Pero sige. Dapat may sagot na kayo. Wala pa. Ayan. N. Mukhang konti na yung sumasagot ha. Ilan na lang oh. Asa na yung iba? Quit na ba? Ayan. Tama nga naman. Katabi nga naman ng B yung N. Ikaw naman. Pero ang sagot dyan ay letter D. Letter D yan, class. Okay. O, ito. Which type of a construction equipment is primarily designed for moving large volumes of earth or other materials from one location to another? So, at kabisado to. Letter C ba? Tignan natin. Yes! Mayroon bang tataya sa C? Wala. Sayang. Oh, hindi. Diba? Umabol pa. Letter C. Pero katawag sa atin karaniwan dump truck. O, ito naman. O, what term describe the process of accelerating the drainage of cohesive soil by placing additional weight on the soil surface? A ba? The watering, drainage, stabilization, or surcharging? Tignan natin. So, meron pa tayong 50 questions left. D, pinangunahan ni Jessa. Ayan, sumunod uli si Mr. Directo. D, ayan, sige. Ang letter D, yes! Very good. Okay. What is the term for a unit volume of material in its natural state before disturbance, often referred to as in place or in situ? Alin kaya dyan? Bank, loose, compacted, or bulk? Letter D. Mukhang maraming may sagot ng letter D Alam dahil is bank material pala. Let's check kung A ba or D. Blur. Oo nga naman, B nga naman din yung isa na pagkamalan. Okay, next. So, which type of crane is known for its wide operating radius and almost unlimited height capability, making it suitable for building construction projects? Yan, baka ma-blur ka rin dyan, ha? So, kabisado to sa mga nag-OJT. Yung almost unlimited height. Mobile crane ba? Crawler ba? Gantry? Or tower crane? So, letter B. Okay. So, next is what is the process of compacting cohesionless soils by inserting a vibratory probe into the soil? Ano ba yan? Vibroflotation, vibrocompaction, percussion compaction, or impact compaction? Letter B ba? Vibrocompaction? A yan. Sige, may laban. A or B, ha? Tamang sagot ay letter B. Letter B. Yan. Okay. Blur. Lag lag. Okay. Nagi-stutter. So next, which construction technique involves the use of explosive placed on the rock surface and tamped with an inert material to shatter the rock? Nako. Itatayati mo. Siguro drilling or mud capping. B. Tagal magana. Explosive mud capping. Okay, so huwag natin patagalin. Mud capping. Nakakita lang explosive, tapos blasting na agad. Pero let's check pa rin. Medyo may pa rin, may doubt pa rin ako sa blasting. So, noted. Okay. Next question. So, which type of compactor is equipped with coupling devices to accommodate a wide range of attachment or tools? Vibratory roller, tamping foot, tool carrier, rubber-tired roller. Letter C na ba agad kasi may tools? Oy, letter A daw, sabi ni Mr. Director. Tignan natin kung may susunod siya. Ayan, letter A pa rin ang letter B. Ayan, natapos na mag-type. Letter B daw, pumping foot roller. sige, huwag na nating patagalin. Letter C. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Letter B. Okay. So next, what is the maximum volume that can be placed in a bucket without spillage based on a specific angle of repose for the material in the bucket? Oh, may bucket. Eh di bucket daw capacity. Automatic. Diba? Bilis sumagot. Nakakita ng bucket. Bucket capacity na yan. So, wag nang patagalin. Hindi. If volume yun. May volume din, oh. Maximum volume. May volume din, oh. Ay na, maximum volume, oh. 50-50 ka sa dalawa, eh. Huli mong binasa yung bakit. Bakit yung sagot? Walang dance ngayon. Baka dito. Which of the following is the simplest form of pile driver that uses a similar action to drive piles? Hydraulic, backhoe, drop hammer, or drag line? Yan, sige, pag natama, letter C ba? Drop hammer. Dahil may drive pile. C yan na for the dance. Letter C ba? Nagre-request. Okay, let's see. Letter C nga. Yan na. Okay. So, ating last question na ba to para sa construction methods? So, which term represent those components of cycle time other than travel time in construction equipment operation? Travel time ba? Fixed time, variable time, or swing angle? Ito ay cycle time other than travel time. Kung nakakita ng travel time na din ba yung sagot? Fixed ba yan? Or variable? Or baka naman is yung swing angle, ano? Okay, let's check kung anong ating answer. Yes, fixed time. May humabol na si. Okay. So, our next question, what factor primarily causes rolling resistance in vehicles? Primarily due to tire flexing and penetration of the travel surface. A. Swing angle. B. Rolling resistance. C. Tipping load. Or D. Nawawalang oras mo sa kanya. Letter D na lang, sir, kasi malungkot ako ngayon eh. Letter C, maraming tipping load. Mukhang nangunguna sa tipping load si Mr. Directo. Tignan nga natin. C daw, ayan. Letter C ba? Yun lang. Letter B, very good sa mga humabol, oh. Tatlong bibe humabol. Iyan, para sa tatlong humabol ng B. Okay. So ito naman, what does a grade resistance represent in vehicle weight which acts parallel to an inclined surface? Swing angle ba yan? Grade resistance? Tipping load, or yung nawawalang oras niya? Letter B daw, sabi. Oh, grade. Ganda yan, ano? Magkaroon ka ng grade resistance. Hindi ka na naapektuhan. Letter B. Maraming letter B, ah. Malay nyo, yung nawawalang oras yan. Ayan, sige. Letter B ba? Yes, letter B. Okay. So, para naman sa ating construction methods again, what is the term for a factor that manufacturers use to express the percentage of reduction in rated vehicle power at various altitudes under rated condition? Derating factor, rim pull, drawbar pull, or retarder chart. Uy, nakakita ng derating tapos may rate dun sa taas. Meron ba? Ayun o, rated condition. Pero letter B daw, rim pull. Baka nga naman letter B. Pinangunahan ni Miss yan, so letter B ba? Yan, maraming letter B. Bibiguin ba tayo? Sige. Accept ko na yung letter C. Hindi, derating na nga. Yun yung umabol, oh. Very good. Isa, ano? Kung sa quiz B yun, malakas yun. So next, what term refers to the pull available at the rim of the driving wheels in construction vehicles? Naku, napakahirap. Napakahirap. Ano kaya dyan? And, siguro, derating factor, ano? So, full na nga, available at the rim. Ang sagot ko siguro, clamshell. So, tignan natin ang ating huwag kayong papasiguro o rim pull nga. So, maraming sagot. Ayan. May hahabol pa ba? Wala. Okay. So, ito naman. Which type of excavator is equipped with the crane boom and a clamshell bucket? Naku! Kahirap naman uli. Letter B, oh. Mayroong mga letter B. Naku, may ano din. Drag line. Backhoe. Letter B ba? B ba? So, sige, let's check. Letter B. Yes! Very good. Letter B nga. Clamshell bucket. Next, what is the process that involves forcing pipes horizontally through the soil? Oh, forcing pipes horizontally through the soil. Pipe bursting, pipe jacking, hydraulic excavation, or pipe laying. Oh, letter C. And letter B daw, pipe jacking. Letter D, ayan, may letter D, oh. Letter B naman yung ano, letter B or letter D? Jacking ba? Or laying? Malay nyo, letter C. Yan, marami sa B. Pag sa B, ito. Uy, letter C. Merong sumuporta kay sir sa letter C. Ito. Letter B. Ayos pa rin. Nag-letter C. Okay. So next is, what is the maximum speed that a vehicle can maintain under rated condition while overcoming a specified total resistance indicated on a performance chart? Rubber speed, rating, retarder chart, or swing angle. Uy, nakita ng chart. Chart na ba agad? Swing angle ba? Or operating radius? Underrated condition, overcoming. Ako, nahihirapan. Or travel speed, kasi may maximum speed eh. Letter C daw. Retarder chart. Pinangunahan. Ayan, letter C. Sige, sugod na mga C. Letter C ba? Nako. Yun, letter B, letter D. Swing angle. Naka-record dyan, ha? May points yan. Travel speed. Walang nakakuha ng sagot. Okay. So, ito naman. Oh. What is the major factor controlling the load that may be safely lifted by a crane? Ano daw yung major factor dyan? Tipping load dahil may load eh. Or radius. Yan, maraming nag-operating radius. Pinangunahan ni Jessa. A, maraming sure. Sige na nga. Ayan na, A na nga. Ayan, eto. Medyo familiar kayo. What are the beams that widen the effective base of a crane? So, dapat alam din to. A, outriggers. B, stabilizers. C, jack. D, lifters. Sige nga. Nag-creating. Sir A. No. CS, letter A. Good. Very knowledgeable sa ating videos. Then, what type of transmission utilizes individual hydraulic motors to drive each truck in crawler vehicles? Anong transmission kaya? Sir, pati transmission, tinatanong mo. Hydrostatic ba? Manual, automatic, or continuously variable transmission? And hydrostatic daw. Maraming sumasagot sa hydrostatic. So, tignan natin. Yes, hydrostatic. So, papass space tayo para makaabot pa tayo sa highway. So, what is the purpose of a top coat in asphalt pavement construction? Para ba ma-reduce yung dust? To provide a smooth finish? Or to bond new and old layers? Or D, to improve traction? Feeling ko C, kasi si Mr. Cabral yung huling sumagot. Uy, letter C daw. Mayroong sumuporta. Letter C nga ba? Uy, letter B. Letter C ba? Letter B? Pang smooth? Yan, mukhang tataya si ano. Mag-iisa na naman siya sa C, oh. So, let's check. Ayan, yes, letter C.
Mile, 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 yo ale, mile, 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 mile.
Yung solo na naman. Sabi sa inyo, letter C. Eto. Yan, tayo ay nasa highway engineering na. So, what is primarily involved in a facility-oriented organization? Operation fleets, planning, traffic congestion, or traffic safety? Ano kaya? Ako, medyo nahirapan ah. Letter B daw, planning. Sige, pinangunahan ni Carl. Liza, letter B. Letter B rin, no? Talagang palaban sa B. Planning ba? Let's check. Yes, planning. Very good. Next. What is the primary concern of an operating organization? Ano ba dyan? Planning ba? Designing? Operating fleets to provide transportation services? Or maintaining facilities? Ano bang primary concern ng operating organization? Sir, ODC, may operating din eh. Letter B? Designing ba? Concern of an operating organization. Operating na eh. Yan, si Director, letter C. May mga yan, yan ang mga C. Para sa tatlong C. Sa dulo. Yes, letter C. Nice. Next, what is the major challenge for the transportation system? Ano kaya? Ano ba yung major dyan? Design speed, traffic congestion, passing sight distance, or estimates? Traffic ba ang major challenge natin? Siguro. Traffic nga ba? Yes, traffic nga. Correcto A, design speed. Traffic. Next, what undermines the effectiveness and efficiency of the transportation system? Demand exceeds the capacity, traffic safety, stopping sight distance, or design speed? Yan, ano yan? Kung papasok na si design speed ah. Efficiency, effectiveness exceeds demand exceeds the capacity. Alin kaya? Letter B ba? Traffic safety? Traffic safety ba ang ano? Ang hinahanap? Hindi. Demand exceeds the capacity. Walang nakakuha ng sagot. Okay, what is a continuing challenge for the transportation engineering profession? O, alin kaya dyan? Traffic congestion ba? Design speed, traffic safety, or estimate? Congestion or safety? Alin ang challenge ng transportation engineering profession? Letter A yan, letter A yan, sir. Anong traffic dito? Grabe, hindi masolusyonan. Hindi. Continuing challenge sa atin ay traffic safety. Hindi yan pwedeng mawala. Okay? O, sabi sa inyo, dalawa lang choices dyan eh. Possible answer. Next, what defines the maximum safe speed that can be maintained over a specified section of highway? Stopping sight distance ba? Design speed? Passing sight distance? Or traffic congestion? Ano ba ang tawag doon sa pinaka-maximum mo na safe distance na pwede mong pumuntot sa nauunang sasakyan or motor sa'yo para ikaw ay safe pa rin kung sakali na bigla siyang huminto? B ba? Yes, design speed. Okay, between 2 is yung maximum mo doon is design speed kasi that can be maintained. Next, what includes cost estimates for various parts of the project? Ako, kahirap nito. Plans, specifications, estimates, and design speed. So this will be our last question. Siguro. And then I will upload na lang yung ating file. Okay? So, sulitin na. Ang sino makatama ay swerte. Letter C. Letter C. Yes, letter C. That are terminologies. Multiple choice questions about construction methods and transportation engineering, highway engineering, and ports engineering. Okay, that nakasolve siguro kayo ng almost 80 terminologies. I hope na marami kayong natutunan, and then I hope na may natandaan din kayo.